Morning children, welcome to online class. Today we are going to see the second part of the first cities, that is fourth chapter. So in first part we discussed about the main features of Harappan civilization, that is about the town planning and the drainage system and the society of Harappan civilization, and about their food and clothes and what all the ornaments they wear. Everything we discussed. Now we are going to see the rest of the features of Harappan civilization. Let me see one by one. So the topics we are going to discuss, that is the features: economic life, art and culture, script, and religion of Harappan civilization. First, let me see about the economic life of Harappan civilization. So, what is actually the occupation of the people, those who live in Harappan civilization? Agriculture. Yes, that was the main occupation of the people who lived there. Surplus grain was stored in huge granaries built in the cities. What is meant by surplus? That is excess of grain, what they used. So they just started storing in a granaries. The large granaries at Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan and Lothal we can find. Actually, tax was collected in the form of grains. So those are farmers. They are having lot of grains, surplus grains that they are storing in the granaries. So in the form of tax, they are used to pay the grains only. And domesticated animals like oxen, buffaloes, pigs, goats and sheep we found in this civilization. Within the cities, craft seems to have been the main occupation of the people. So they made toys and weapons like knives, spears and axes. So the artisans also used to pay the tax in the form of toys, knives, spears and axes. What are all the things they made? And for masons we see means they laid brick to build houses, roads and other buildings. So in Harappan civilization, what about their trade position, that is business position, and what are all the means of transport they used? So trade and transport must have been the important feature of those times. They started traded to get raw materials. For they are making the toys, knives, spears. For all these they are getting raw materials from other countries. The chief means of transport were bullock carts and boats. As we are seeing in this picture, they are using bullock carts and boats for the trading purpose. The seals of the Harappan culture have been found in Mesopotamia, indicating trade contacts with them. A dockyard, that is harbour, has been found at Lothal, where boats and ships came in from the sea and through the river channel. Perhaps goods were loaded and unloaded here. Actually, what is meant by goods? Things, that is the raw material or whatever maybe they produce. Everything loaded and unloaded in the dockyard, as we are seeing in this picture. Trade was carried out between the villages and the different cities. as well as other civilization of that year, particularly with Egypt and Mesopotamia. The main items of the trade included food items, building materials, precious stones and colored gems. So actually what is meant by seals? Seals are another special contribution of this civilization. They are flat and rectangular objects made of burnt clay or terracotta, as we are seeing here. A shape, rectangular shape. Terracotta was a reddish brown clay backed for making parts and toys. Seals used by the traders to stamp their goods and also units of exchange. Actually, what are all the things? They are just trading. They are making us a bundle tied with the string or rope. And they just used to appear wet clay on the knot. After making it dry, they are using the seal. Just the imprint their seal. The seals carry figures of animals with inscriptions. So some important seals we see means here Pashupati seal, unicorn seal and the bull seal. What about their art and culture? Archaeologists have discovered a number of smaller statues and figures made of terracotta, stone and metals. It's just telling us how specialized they are in their art. And the bronze statue of dancing girl expresses the skill of Harappan craftsmanship. In pottery making, it's a very specialized skill we found in the Harappan civilization. A variety of parts we can see with different designs and shapes. Maybe the geometrical designs also we can find on this part. Usually they were painted with figures of birds, animals and people. So about their script, we see means it has been found engraved on seals. The Harappan script was pictographic. As we are seeing here, it's looking like a picture or resembling any animal. So it was believed that script was written from right to left. Usually we used to write from the left side to right side, but the script was written from right to left. Here the pictures like it's representing ideas, objects and words. About their religion we see means it is believed that Harappans may have worshipped mother goddesses. So clay images of women figures have been found in Harappa. In some seals of Harappa, a male god is shown surrounded by animals like the tiger, rhinoceros, buffalo and the elephant, as we are seeing in this picture. Actually, they worship nature, including the worship of trees, like the people have been practiced in Harappan civilization. The people believed in life after death. That's why they buried their dead bodies with pottery, ornaments and other articles of daily use, because they are believing in life after death. Here we are seeing the Rakhigarhi, one of the largest site in Harappan civilization. Here it is Dholavira. It is the fifth largest site in Harappan civilization. So one of the more interesting finds from Dholavira was a big signboard with 10 characters of the Harappan script. Let me see how the civilization declined. After flourishing for thousands of years, the thriving Harappan civilization appears to have come to a sudden end. Peoples left many of the cities. Raw materials stopped being brought from outside. The unique drainage system broke down, and there seemed to be confusion all around. The well-built building, everything broke down. So the people seemed to be confused everywhere. The archaeologists put forth various reasons that might have caused stagnation and the subsequent decline of the Harappan civilization. So among the various reasons, some of the reason we will see here. Maybe the natural disaster like earthquake, change in the course of the rivers and repeated floods and droughts. Human made causes like widespread deforestation and overgrazing, leading to the decline of the quality of the soil and increased aridity. Just stop farming also because the fertile land become worst. The invasion of the Aryans. Towards the end of the Harappan civilization, people started moving southwards and established small settlements. Even though the Harappan civilization declined, people continued to follow the practices of the original civilization, including art, agriculture, and social organization. Even today, many of these practices became a part of the Indian culture. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.